The Mangoal 4K Dashcam Model D is designed as a factory-style unit that tucks neatly behind the rearview mirror of fifth-generation Grand Cherokee models, keeping the cabin looking clean and original. Its ultra-high-definition 4K sensor, wide aperture lens, and quality imaging chip work together to capture sharp, detailed video with accurate colors in both bright daylight and challenging low light. Built-in wireless connectivity and a dedicated application make it straightforward to review live footage, pull important clips to a phone or computer, and share incidents with family or insurance when needed. The camera supports continuous loop recording, so you never have to manage storage manually, while the impact sensing feature automatically locks crucial clips during a collision. Installation is simplified by the custom-fit housing, included wiring adapters, and clear guidance materials, so many owners can complete the setup without professional help. The package includes a pre-installed memory card and thoughtful accessories, and the manufacturer backs it with warranty coverage and responsive technical support for added peace of mind.